What if I told you that a moldy piece of bread, an apple falling from a tree, and a bubbling flask in a Swiss lab all had one thing in common? They literally changed the world. Yep, science doesn't just live in textbooks. It shapes our everyday lives. Let's count down the top 10 scientific discoveries that changed the world. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Hey friends, welcome back to Smart Curiosity. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the incredible moments in science that shifted the course of human history. From the secrets of life to the structure of the universe, these aren't just discoveries, they're milestones in how we understand our world. Number 10, Germ theory. Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch proved that microbes cause disease. It led to sterilization, antibiotics, and vaccines. Number 9, theory of evolution. Charles Darwin showed life evolves through natural selection, changing biology forever. Number 8, DNA discovery. Watson, Crick, and Rosalind Franklin revealed the double helix structure, unlocking genetics. Number 7, Newton's laws. Motion and gravity explained. Thanks, quarantine apple. Number 6, relativity. Einstein redefined time and space, literally. Your GPS thanks him. Number 5, penicillin. Fleming found it by accident. It saved millions. Number 4, atomic theory. From Democritus to Bohr, we learned what everything's made of. Number 3, Big Bang theory. The birth of the universe, and we're still expanding. Number 2, heliocentric model. Copernicus and Galileo proved the sun's the center, changing everything. Number 1, the scientific method. It's the foundation of all discoveries. Observe, test, repeat. Which discovery blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Smart Curiosity for more bite-sized science.